Next, I would like to talk about my teaching and advisement over the past 3 years. Let's start off with talking about my teaching philosophy. In my executive summary, I framed my teaching philosophy by providing 5 key principles that my teaching experiences have demonstrated and will lead to students to become transformative learners. These 5 principles include: 1, social work education must evoke curiosity in students and awaken their minds to develop an inquisitive attitude towards learning. 2, student learning is best achieved when there is a respectful classroom environment that recognizes the educator's knowledge and the student's knowledge and experience as well. 3, it is the professor's responsibility, mine, to come to class each day well prepared to deliver accurate, relevant knowledge that fosters and encourages students to develop critical thinking skills so that they become competent and ethical professionals. 4, students must be able to take what they have learned in the classroom and apply it to real world cases throughout their field experiences. And 5, students must be encouraged to expand their social work skills by reading extensively, asking questions, and challenging ideas from their readings, their professors, and supervisors so that they become problem solvers, strategic thinkers, and social work experts. And to that, I leave you with reading the rest of the document, downloading what you will, clicking on links so that you can see how I teach in my courses. Thank you.